What's going on, guys? Gadget Junkie here. Today I'll bring you a look at this HYAKO forehead massage gun. I want to say thank you to HYAKO for sending this over to me so that I can showcase for you guys. So let's get into it. This is a forehead massage gun. Comes with removable heads here. These heads here, just foam that are removable. Inserts quickly over top of the fingers there. They give you an extra 4 sets, so in case something happens to this here, where they get wet or damaged or whatever, they give you an extra set. So that's a very nice feature there. Charging is very simple. You got a USB-C charging cable there with the USB-C charging port on the top there. So operation is really simple. They do give you an instruction manual here, but you really don't need it. It's very simple to operate. So operation is push the button, turns it on. Got the 4 fingers there. Now, one of the things about this particular gun is the amplitude. So amplitude means how deep the fingers extend and retract. So this here was 6 millimeters of amplitude, which gives you a really nice massage. So you got 5 different levels here. This is the low level, 2nd level, 3rd level, 4th level, 5th level. Now I'm going to shut up so you guys can hear how quiet this is. Super quiet operation there. Power it off, simply press the button and hold it, and it turns it back off. So, the thing I like about this here is with foreheads, at first I didn't really think that I thought this was more of a gimmick, but this actually is pretty good. So with the foreheads here, this feels more like getting a massage from a person because the heads kind of contour over the muscle, which gives you a really good massage. Really gets the blood flow. So, and then because of the way that it's spaced here, if you want to use this on somebody and give them a massage on the back, it fits down the spine very nicely. So you're basically massaging the muscles on both sides of the spine, as opposed to with the single point massage guns. You can hit the bone a lot. This here will help prevent hitting the bone, so that you can give the muscles a really good massage. So all in all, this is a very good little product here. I'm excited to use it. So if you're looking for a different kind of massage gun than the standard, just one massage head gun, give this guy here a try. Hope this helps.